Okay.
Cucumber McFluffer.
No. You don't understand. Me and Sarah got there 4 a.m., right? These guys, they must have got there at like 4 p.m. No, they got there at 12.
Oh, they probably got there at like 7.
They probably got there at 7, yeah.
No,
because I saw them at the... Yeah, I saw them at the booth. I saw them at the booth.
They were there like...
I feel like I can't walk like this. I'd hate being a fucking paparazzi.
So, we left Allie and AJ. We left before Rush, which is my favorite song.
And I wasn't happy the whole time because Alex said Cher was dead.
Yeah, him. You'll see him in that video.
Alex said Cher was dead. You'll see that later. You'll see it was like that the whole concert after I was crying the whole time. I just could not get happy because then I pictured Cher in a casket and I just had a heart attack. So I was sad.
Imagine if Cher actually like dies. Because, oh no. This is not good.